Happy jolly Christmas. Kids are standing up. Stand up. Stand up. What are you doing there?
I thought you could sing a song for me.
No, what are you doing there?
I was just recording you. Go ahead, sing something.
Christmas. Happy jolly Christmas. Kids didn't know. Happy jolly Christmas. Kids didn't know. I got a hockey game tomorrow. I got a hockey game tomorrow. And a basketball game tomorrow. I got a basketball and hockey game tomorrow. I got Total Whoppy in basket and tennis ball.